Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, what I'm going to be discussing is adding HBA, health and beauty aids, personal hygiene to your preps. What I've added is liquid hand soap, which is very important. These, I believe, were $3.68 a piece. They are 56 fluid ounces. I picked up 3. I put 1 away. Deodorant, very, very important for our health and for our hygiene. Shampoo and conditioner, especially for us ladies with long hair. These two I picked up because not only did I have coupons, but at Target, if you have, if you have the Target app, sometimes you can also get a percentage off. They range from 5 to 10% off of items. And it even happens on sale and clearance items as well. This was 10% off of $5. Now I know that's only, a few pennies off, but still, penny saved is something that pennies more can go towards other preps. Body soap, body wash. This body wash was on clearance, and with the Target app, I got another 10% off. Toothpaste. Wow, is our dental hygiene going to be so more important after an event than ever before? Now, I know this is going to be an TMI, but for our elders, we must think of our elders in this time. Incontinence, pads and underwear. Listen. Ladies, especially for us, for our sanitary napkins and tampons, we need those, but our elders need these. Okay? We have to think about our elders. Now, toilet paper, obviously, so important, but has anyone thought to get Flushable wipes? Now, I don't think that we're going to lose water. I really don't. But just in the case that we do, but listen, do not ever flush baby wipes. They will clog your pipes in a second. Okay? But these, I've been using these for years. Always get these. Okay? These are going to be very important for our hygiene. Very important for our hygiene, especially if we can't take showers. Well, that's all for this short video. I just wanted to show you what preps we added for our HBA and our hygiene for our preps, for our, hang on. Sorry about that. My dog wants to go out. For our working prepper pantry. Because, yes, we only buy what we actually use. So this stuff I wanted to share with you because I feel that it's very important for you to see what we buy and what we use so you have an idea of what you might need and what you could possibly use. Have a great day. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.